It's an accessibility issue as much as anything else. If you build a website that will work well with search engines, will work well maybe on a lower grade mobile phone, that will work well for, say, an image impaired user who has to use software that reads out the words on the page, then they're all, essentially a search engine is really a impaired user in that it can't read what an image, the content of an image. So therefore it's a good idea to use what we call an alt attribute, which is when you mouse over a photo, you'll see sometimes you see a little box pop up which has some descriptive text for the photo. Now that really helps the search engine understand what that image is about, may increase the chance it's going to rank in an image search, for example. It also adds extra keywords to the page, and if someone's image impaired and reading the screen, or they're on a mobile phone with slow bandwidth, they may just see the description of the image rather than loading the image. So all these things work together to help SEO and accessibility. So they're really well intricately linked, and it's all about coding a decent website. Similarly, using headlines that may not be descriptive is another issue that you may see, or having page titles that use exactly the same page title for every page. That's not helping the search engine or anyone understand which page is most relevant to them. So making sure that you're actually describing the content of your page using your page title, the description, a heading tag possibly, and an introductory paragraph is a good idea, because keywords at the top of the page often have a little bit more weight than those lower down. And then links between the pages, another important thing. So if you've got a page about lightweight running shoes, for example, have lightweight running shoes in the anchor text itself, and that's the link that the user clicks on. So the search engine looks at the words within that link and thinks, right, well, the page this is going to must be about the text within that. You can see that working with great effectiveness in how Wikipedia ranks. You'll see Wikipedia pages very often appearing in the search results. Part of that is because their internal linking is so strong. The whole page is peppered with little blue links linking from one topic to another. And meshing together all that really helps the internal link values of Wikipedia, and therefore not only does it help usability and navigation from users, but also helps search engine understand what the target page is about. So if there's this text in a blue link, therefore that text is relevant to the page that you'd end up on if you clicked it. So a lot of it's really quite intuitive. So search engines are incredibly complicated algorithms to determine which page is going to rank against which. But the SEO process itself really is quite simple. It's about making the search engine or user understand clearly what that page is about, and really doing good SEO is going to really help the user experience if you're doing it correctly.